I have these 3 boards from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hangers. I'm going to lay them in a staggered position so that I have 3 different sizes. And then I'm going to take a ruler and go across. You can determine how long you want yours. I determined mine, and I just made a marking across these wood planks. Then I'm going to take my miter box. You can get this right on Amazon. We do have a link in our chalkitupfancy.com store of our favorite Amazon products. And I'm going to cut at my marking on each board. You can most certainly get 2 crafts done of the same by using the excess pieces of wood that I'm putting aside. This miter box is pretty easy to use. Then I'm going to take my 3 pieces and I'm going to paint them in Snow Owl. Then I'm going to mark painter's tape on 2 of them, the tallest and then the second size. And I'm going to do Bowie on the bottom portion of this particular one and then Bowie on the top. I got these stars at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just using different sizes, and I'm painting them in Snow Owl, and then I took a large and a small and painted them in Bowie, and then another large and small and painted it in Republic Red. I'm going to put stripes. The first one, I'm going to do vertical stripes just at the top. And the second one, I'm going to do angled stripes at the bottom using painter's tape to help me create my stripes. I'm going to do Republic Red. In between where my painter's tape is not. Then I'm going to remove the tape. And if you're noticing my new glass crafting mat, I got this at Hobby Lobby for $10.99 and I love it. So now I'm going to glue some stars to the top of the one, the larger stars to the side of the other, and then I'm going to do a mix on the all white panel. I'm going to take jute and create these small pieces by going in a circular motion, cutting at the top and the bottom of my loop, and using this as a wick at the top of each panel. Then I'm going to take a piece of wood from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint the outside of it in the Snow Owl. I'm going to glue it in the center of my 2 larger planks, put the smaller one in the front. I'm going to take Dollar Tree rope, put it around all of them, and then add this little USA that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils. And don't forget our cutouts, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.